So let's build an internet speed tester project. So let's check if your ISP is giving you the speed you pay for. We are building a CLI internet speed tester. For that, we are gonna use a package called speed test CLI. First, let me create a project and call this speed test. Hit enter. Let me create a new file and let's call this speed check. Enter, file got created, and right click again, open in terminal. The terminal got opened. Let me maximize this, and we are gonna use a package called speed test CLI. So let's check that first in Google Chrome. So I'm gonna write Python speed test CLI. Okay, as you can see, this is the package. So let me copy the command, go to PyCharm, and let me install that. Hit enter. Okay, as you can see, the package got successfully installed on our project. So there would be just one method, so let's call that method. So the method name would be check internet speed. Okay, now we don't have this method, we're gonna create this, but we will have an input function. So this execution should not stop implicitly. User has to hit enter to stop execution of the program. So here in the placeholder, I'm gonna write press enter to exit. Okay, now let's define that function. It is check internet speed, and first of all we need to import that package. So I'm gonna write import speed test. So first of all, let me write the print statement, and there we write internet speed tester, then again the print statement, and here we write initializing, please wait. Then we have to write some try and except block. So in the try block, now why there is wiggly lines? Oh shit, I haven't write the def keyword. Okay, so in the try block, first up we have this variable st, and here we write speed test dot and call the speed test method with the capital S, and then we write print finding best server, and then write st dot get best server method, and after getting the best server, we're gonna write print testing download speed, and in the next line we write a variable download underscore mbps equal st dot and call a download method, and here we will get result in bits. So we want to show the result in mbps. So what we are going to do is we're gonna divide that with 1 underscore 0 0 underscore 0 0 0. Okay, now one more 0 here. After that we write again print, and here we write testing upload speed, and let's define a variable upload underscore mbps, and here we write st dot and call the upload method, and again the result is in bits, so we need to divide by 1 0 0 0 underscore 0 0 0. Then we'll have a ping variable. Here we're going to write st dot results dot ping. Now after that we will have a bunch of print statements. First of all, let me give a backward slash n for a new line. Then let's do some concatenation, again quotations equal, then multiplication by 30, then again a print statement, string formatting. Here I'm gonna write download, and I'm gonna inject that variable which is download mbps. Then I'm gonna give a colon sign and dot to f. So that means I want 2 digits after the period, and after the braces I'm gonna write mbps. Now let me copy this. Now this time we're gonna write upload, and here let's inject upload mbps. For that, let's work with the ping. Let's inject the ping variable here. We don't need this anymore, and here it would be a mess. Then again we will have a print statement, then a equal sign multiplied by 30. prints 30 equal signs. Okay, after printing, and our try block is done, so we need to write our accept block. So in the accept, if we get any exception, we catch that key and just write a print statement, and there we have string formatting, and write error, and let's inject e. Okay, so we are done. Let me run the file. As you can see, first it is initializing, then it is finding web server, then testing download speed, testing upload speed. Is happening one by one. First this line got executed, then it went into this, started printing this and doing these executions. As you can see, my download speed is 49.16 Mbps and upload speed is 49.53 Mbps. The ping is 15.683 ms. So I can hit enter to exit, and I can run the program again. Let's see if it gives similar results. So it is finding best server, testing download speed, now testing upload speed. As you can see, the result is somewhere near what is in the previous result. So congrats, you have created your second project with Python. So see you in the next one.